As a mom, I am busy running my boys around to sports all the time. Twice a week they have karate. They both started when they were 5. Tristan is 12 now and Aiden is 7. So since they are burning a lot of calories in karate, I want them to have a nice, hearty, home-cooked meal, but that does not take a long time to make. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make pulled pork in the Instant Pot. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our pork, and these are just 2 pork roasts, and they're kind of small size, so I'm gonna stuff both of them in my Instant Pot because we love leftovers here, because really with this, you can use them with tacos along with the pulled pork sandwiches. So first I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna get some rub. And this rub is rosemary, salt and pepper, paprika, chipotle seasoning, and cumin. And so I'm just gonna get the rub and put it all over the roast. And of course you can put whatever seasoning you want on yours. All right, that's pretty good. Now we're gonna get the Instant Pot. Okay, now that I have my Instant Pot, I'm gonna take 1 can of Coca-Cola, or you can do, if you don't like Coke and you like Pepsi instead, you can use Pepsi. I'm gonna put the whole can in because I have 2 roasts. So now I'm gonna take my pork roast and put it right in the Instant Pot. And as you can see, they both fit in a 6-quart perfectly. Just like this. All right, time to put the lid on. And I'm gonna turn it to sealing. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna press meat stew button. So it's set at 80 minutes. It's gonna come up to pressure, and then it's gonna start counting down from 80 to 0. Okay, it turned on. And then we're gonna let it naturally release for 10 minutes. And so we are gonna come back when it has naturally released for 10 minutes. Okay, so it has been naturally releasing for 10 minutes, and now we are going to release the pressure. All right, moment of truth. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my pork roast and put it in a bowl to start shredding. Okay, so with the leftover juices in the pot, we are gonna make barbecue sauce for the pulled pork. So I'm actually gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna turn it to saute so we can start cooking it down, and we're gonna add a few more ingredients to it. And meanwhile, while I am reducing the broth in here, I'm still just shredding my pork. Right, perfect, and you want to stir it every once in a while.
Okay, so to the Instant Pot, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke.
And 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. One cup of ketchup. And a ½ a cup of brown sugar. And if you remember, it already had spices from the rub, so we don't need to add seasoning to it. And you'll just want to continue to cook this down until the sauce reduces about half and till it thickens up and it is a nice sauce to pour over your pulled pork. Alright guys, so the sauce has reduced down and thickened up, and the pulled pork is shredded. Time to eat. Alright guys, so I put some pulled pork in here along with the barbecue sauce to try it for you guys. So let's give it a try. Incredible flavors together. So not only is the pulled pork amazing, but the barbecue sauce is probably one of the best ones you will ever try. Homemade is always the best. Well, I hope you guys go home and give it a try. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And if you'd like to see more videos, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys so much. Bye, and see you in the next video.